Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will share a really simple way how you can add Accordion to your Elementor website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Elementor and then just scroll down to General and you will find here Accordion. Let's take it and paste it. And when we have it, you can have like easily, this is really simple, add item, and just edit it. What is the way? This is the way. Voila, here you got it perfect. Then you got like Accordion 2, and you can edit literally everything, play around with the text, change the heading. Then you can have like icon to change it to arrow. If you want to, an active icon would be angle up. So that's pretty simple and really easy. Then you get like profile here that you can change the border with. You can also change the colors here and the icon to have it on right side or left side, the alignment. That's also really up to you what kind of alignment you got. And you can change the color of like when it's like neutral, that you're not going to click on it. But when you're gonna click on it, you can have active color like, I don't know, green, and look at this. Or you can have it also red. It's not red, this is red. So that's really up to you, but we like green or even blue. Green is better. So this is how you do it. Pretty simple, pretty easy. And you can also like change the spacing here, but it doesn't do much. And again, the content, changing the background, changing the color, simple stuff, right? And then in advance, you can also change the positioning if it's responsive that someone won't find in the mobile, but I recommend having it everywhere. And that's pretty much it. And again, changing the location by margin and padding. So yeah, and you can just easily delete if you don't want to something and add an item. Thank you everybody. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some feedback, some guidance and stuff like that. You know how it works. So thank you, have a great day and goodbye.